Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of Profit Bazooka. Profit Bazooka is an app produced by Guy Kal Bartal, and it is a three-step method that spits out $100 commission to its users through their done-for-you ammo and unique money link embedded. Yes, this is what Guy is saying about this app today. So guys, before I go any further, kindly click on the bell icon for notification, leave a comment, click the like, share, subscribe button down below. And as usual, guys, I shall be adding 5 of my bonuses today. And looking at the screen right now is actually the bonuses that I shall be adding today. So if Profit Bazooka sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details, whilst also giving you a full demo of how this software works. Okay, I'll take you guys straight away to the sales page. Let's see what Guy has to say about this app. So this is what he is saying. So he says you will pay more if you come back later. So one, in price increases every 16 minutes. It says this thing fires a done for you ammo that explodes into multiple $100 commissions for them, and they finally decide to pull back the curtains and reveal it all. So guys, these are the features of this software. So he's saying you have 3 steps process and takes minutes to set up. You have a done for you ammo with your money link and no guesswork and various moving parts. Works today, this year and beyond. Early adopters dominate with this. Traffic included and highly scalable. So these are the features that he is saying that this app has, and also that you get to pay just $12.95, a one-time payment, and you have a 30-day money back guarantee. Okay guys, these are some of the early adopters of this app. This is Monza, an entrepreneur, and he says, I do like to thank you guys for this awesome method. What I love about it is that you manage to take something which is in every internet marketer site, but many never actually thought about proactively monetizing it and made a money making machine out of it. You guys managed to explain this method in a very simple and fast way, providing all the done-for-you resources required to make it work. Who doesn't want to have easy and recurring income? Okay, so that is what one of the entrepreneurs is saying about this app. So let me take you guys down and see the steps that he is saying that you need to employ to be able to set this up and running. Okay, these are the 3 steps, guys. So the first one is that it says you set up your very own Profit Bazooka. No guesswork here. You will follow full detailed instructions. And then the second step is that you load Profit Bazooka with the done for you ammo. And then the third step, which is the best part, is firing our Profit Bazooka. Yep, this is where it explodes into then multiple $100 commissions. Okay guys, I have shown you what the steps that he has said you need to employ to get it to set it up and running, and these are also the bonuses that he has added, guys. He added 3 bonuses. So the first one is the Profit Booster, which goes beyond Profit Bazooka and unlocks its full potential to scale your results. And then the second one is that you have guaranteed subscribers, but not just in any list. I'm talking about a list of tier 1, UK, US, Canada, Australia, all of that stuff. And then the third bonus is you have the Bazooka Fast Action Guide. He said it's faster than fast. Yeah, this fast action guide will give you a bird's eye view of the Profit Bazooka method, allowing you to focus on what gets you results. Okay guys, now speaking of bonuses, I've shown you the 3 that he has added. Let me quickly walk you through the 5 that I've added. So with just less than $13, guys, you will be getting access to all these 8 bonuses, 3 of these and 5 of mine. So the first one that I have added is access. You have access to Aurora Pro, and this is valued at $427.95. But guys, do not forget to give a shout out to Jonah Armstrong for making this bonuses available for us today. And then the second bonus is worth $46.95, and you have is a hack. You have 3 ways to get traffic to your gigs. The third one, which is $344.95, is a 10K email manifesto case study. Then the fourth one is $267. You have access to Continuum done for you. And then the fifth one, of course, which is $197, you have access to all vendor bonuses. Guys, all you need to do to have access to all these 8 bonuses is to click on the link that is in the description box below. That brings you to this My Bonus page. And if you click where it says click here to buy or secure your copy and your bonuses, if you have logged in through, if you're logging in through a Warrior Plus, it brings up something like this. Just click on the blue button right there where it says access affiliate bonus, and all my bonuses will be automatically added. And then if it is through JVZoo that you are purchasing, where the arrow, the red arrow is, click on the box and then my bonuses will be added. Guys, remember that the clock is ticking and you have just 4 days left. So if provided you are purchasing within this time frame, I'm assuring you that you have access to all these bonuses that I've mentioned. But once this 4 days elapses, it's not a guarantee anymore. So guys, the earlier the better. Start buying and then start sharing to those that you know will this software will be of help to. Guys, okay, now I have shown you guys the sales page. I've shown you the bonuses that I've added. Now I'm going to take you guys to the members area so you see how this app really looks like. So once you purchase it, you want to log in. If you log in, this is the interface that you see, the dashboard. So to get started, you want to click on where it says this button right here where it says start here. Click on the welcome to Profit Bazooka, and this opens up. This is actually a welcome video by Guy himself. And then just all you need to do is just to click on all these buttons. It opens up different modules, trainings that teaches you what to do and how to set this up. So this, click on the overview. Of course, you have access to what this whole app is all about. And then if you click on the training, you have the first step, the second step, and the third step. So the first step is actually setting up the bazooka, the Profit Bazooka. Second step is loading Profit Bazooka, and then the third one is firing it. Also, you can also click on where it says resources. Of course, you have access to the bazooka ammo, and then to access your bonuses, click on the bonuses. Then you have the Profit Booster, Guarantee Subscribers, Profit Bazooka Faster Shun Guide, which are the 3 bonuses that he has added. And then click on Level Up, and you can also advertise your bonuses right here. You see the free affiliate bootcamp, the 30 days challenge, even more bonuses also. So guys, this is just what the members area look like once you log in. From this buttons right here on the left, click on them, and then you have access to the trainings, guys. Okay, now I have shown you the demo, I have shown you the sales page. Do not forget, guys, to have access to my bonuses. Then all you need to do is to click on that link. It brings you to my bonus page. And then let's talk about the prices. I've shown you the bonuses also. Let's talk about the prices and the upsells. So about the front end, it is just $12.95. Like I said earlier, even if it is just the front end that you're purchasing, you have access to all those bonuses that I've mentioned, 5 of mine and 3 of his. And then the upsell one, which is the Pro, is $47. So you have the is a further done for you package that makes Profit Bazooka 30 times more powerful and effective. And then the upsell 2, which is Carl's Success Cycle, is $97. So You can ask him anything or have unlimited email support. And then the upsell 3, which is the bonus giveaway, right, is $37. It says, let's face it, bonuses are a crucial part of any affiliate promotion based business. So basically you have access to the giveaway rights. And then the fourth upsell, which is one-on-one coaching call with Carl, is $197. As you book a powerful 45-minute coaching call with Carl and learn additional tips and tricks to elevate your online business further. And then the fifth upsell, which is the reseller right, is $197. So basically you can resell and keep all the commissions to yourself. Okay guys, basically this is all I have to offer to you guys today. I have shown you the sales page, I have discussed the features of this software, and then the bonuses that Carl has added, and then 5 of mine also that I added. Once you purchase through my link, all you need to do is to click on the link that is in the description box below and it brings you to my page. And I've also shown you how you can access my bonuses once you once you purchase through my link. And guys, and I've also taken you guys also to the members area, the demo of how this works, and then the tutorial area also. Basically that's all that I have to offer to you guys today. If this sounds like something you like, or you know somebody that will be interested, do not forget to share, guys, and then purchase through my link also. Do not forget to leave a comment and click the like, share, subscribe button down below. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sticking with me, and see you guys in my next video. You stay safe and have a great day. Bye.